TypeScript compiler TSC setup in VS Code. How to download install TypeScript and VS Code Node.js. TypeScript is high-level programming language developed by Microsoft. It is free and open source application. TypeScript స్క్రిప్ట్ను జావాస్క్రిప్ట్లోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేసి అవుట్పుట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయాలంటే Node.js ప్యాకేజ్ మేనేజర్ అండ్ npm టూల్స్ ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ మస్ట్ అండ్ షుడ్. బ్రౌజర్ ఓపెన్, గూగుల్ సెర్చ్ బాక్స్లో TypeScript ఎంటర్ కీ ప్రెస్. అఫీషియల్ లింక్ ఫస్ట్ సెక్షన్లో డిస్ప్లే. TypeScript log.org ఫస్ట్ లింక్, మౌస్ లెఫ్ట్ క్లిక్. TypeScript redirectory official page complete display. First one, download, select. TypeScript in your project section lo mouse scroll down. TypeScript compiler TSC run cheyalante anyone code editor VS Code install your PC. Second, JavaScript supported package manager Node.js and npm. Installations must. First, VS Code already install my system. Second one, Node.js. Blue color highlighted words. Select, mouse right click. First one, open link in new tab, select. Top section lo new tab, select. Node official web interface display. Left side, download Node.js LTS long time supported, green color button, select, mouse left click. Download section lo node latest version 22.14.0 x64.msi setup file downloading process completed. Open file, mouse left click. Open file security warning window lo first button, run click. Preparing to install. Browser minimize. Welcome to the Node.js setup version. Second button, next click. End -user license agreement. Complete Node.js package manager related license agreement info. Left side, I accept the terms in the license agreement. Box lo tick mark set. Mouse left click. Third button, next click. Node.js related package manager application files path display in middle section. In case change the another one drive, change button click. Look in, right side down arrow click. Select your convenient drive. Unnecessary cancel click. Next click. Node.js setup related features default set. Next click. Tools for native modules window lo Node.js related chocolatey tool necessary అయితే box లో tick mark set, unnecessary tick mark remove. Second button, next click. Ready to install Node.js. Install, second button click. MSI window lo first one, yes click. Please wait while the setup version install node.js. Status lo copying Node.js related exe and setup files. Wait and here few minutes. Node.js has been successfully installed. Second button, finish click. Node.js package manager and npm tool successful installation checking process. Windows search box lo cmd type. First option, command prompt, select. Command prompt shell window display. Node.js related text command, enter. Node space -version, enter key press. Installed application latest version 22.14.0. Next, npm space -version, enter key press. npm related install version 10.9.2. Browser reopen. First tab, re-click. Mouse scroll down in middle section. Globally installing TypeScript command display. npm space install space -g, g means global, space TypeScript. This command copy. npm before mouse left click, right side drag, mouse right click, copy, first option select. Command prompt reopen. Keyboard shortcut key Ctrl V, enter key press. TypeScript install process start. Wait here few seconds. After installations completed, path creation in system environment variables. Shell window minimize, browser minimize. Keyboard lo shortcut key Windows key and R. Run command open. Open lo search box lo app data enter, APPDATA enter, first button, OK click. Third folder roaming open. npm folder double click open. npm related folder path copy, mouse left click, mouse right click, third option copy select. Folder minimize. Windows search box lo edit the system environment variables enter. First option select. System properties window display, right side bottom section lo last one button environment variables select. Second one system variables section lo path select. Second button edit click, right side new button click, mouse right click, paste select, OK click, OK click and OK click. cmd command prompt window reopen. Successful installation checking process. tsc space --version, enter key press. TypeScript installed version 5.7.3. VS Code IDE open. Top section lo first menu file menu click, open folder option select, create new folder desktop select. Middle section lo mouse right click, new option select. Sub panel lo first one folder select. Keyboard lo delete key press. File name enter, tsc files, enter key press and select folder, first button click. Yes, I trust the authors, blue color, first button select. Page close, right side first one icon, new file click, enter here file name charitech dot extension ts. Right side newly created folder name charitech.ts. Enter here TypeScript compiler simple code completed. Next file save. Keyboard lo shortcut key Ctrl S. Top section lo terminal menu select. First one new terminal option select. Bottom side new terminal window, newly created folder path display. Right side PowerShell default set, down arrow click, command prompt second one option select. Enter here TypeScript compiler file name tsc space file name charitech.ts, enter key press. TypeScript compiler code converted JavaScript file name charitech.js. తర్వాత ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయాలి ఫైల్ను. అవుట్పుట్ టెర్మినల్ విండోలో నోడ్ స్పేస్ ఫైల్ నేమ్ charitech ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ డాట్ ఫస్ట్ ఫైల్ నేమ్ డాట్ జేఎస్, ఎంటర్ కీ ప్రెస్. అవుట్పుట్ charitech info Warangal.